Today we will discuss about section view in Revit. First of all, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Like and share also. Section view is used for cutting the models. Section view is located in Create panel of View tab. It is also located in Quick Access toolbar. We select this tool for the section view. First of all, we understand the placement of a section view. If the horizontal left to right section is placed, then section direction will be towards the backside. By placing section horizontally right to left, the section direction will be towards the front side. If the vertical section is applied from the back to the front, then the section direction will be on the right side. Similarly, by applying a vertical section from front to back side, the section direction will be on the left side. The section can also be applied at any angle as per requirements. By selecting section, the offset appears in options bar. Its default value is 0. Home location we will select for draw a section. The section will be created at the same location. If we give any numerically value in the offset, then the section will be drawn at the same distance. When you create a section view, Revit sets a default view depth and width. Right-click on the section tag to go to the section view and select Go to View in the context menu. Or double-click on the section head. Section view can also be accessed from Project Browser. We bring up the two views by selecting the tile views in the View tab. Now we study the section view. This is called section line. In the middle of section line is gaps in segments. The section line can be broken when you do not want to appear section line in the drawing. Breaking a section line has no effect on what displays in the section view. You can drag these section lines with the grip boxes, and when you want to continue section line, just click on gaps in segment symbol. Section line will be continue. The dotted rectangle area of the section view is called crop region. The perpendicular crop region lines on the section line are the width of the section view, and the crop region line parallel to the section line is the depth of section. It is also known as for clip offset. Whatever the section view, it will always show the elements according to the same crop region. For example, I draw a wall inside the crop region and I can see this wall in the section view. And as soon as I move the wall outside the crop region, the wall will disappear. The width of the section view can be controlled with a drag arrow. Dragging the section width from any side of the plan will automatically affect the section view. Similarly, dragging section depth will affect section view. The width and depth of the section view can also be controlled by size crop tool. The model crop size, width and height is equal to the view on 1:1 view scale. Changing the view scale will modify the width and height of the crop size according to the ratio of the view scale. The section will divide by the horizontal view break in the section view. The same break section can be further breaked. Move the region boundary to the other part and reassemble the section. The section will be merged. This is how vertical view breaks can be controlled. The crop region of the section view can also be edited manually. Edit this magenta boundary and select tick mark. Boundary will be changed. Section depth can also be adjusted from the Properties palette for clip offset. Dragging section depth will change for clip offset. Similarly, changing for clip offset on properties will affect the plan and section view. Above the for clip offset is a for clipping with different options that I have explained in a separate video. I have provided a link to this video in the description. Crop view restricts the region of a view to a certain width and height. Checking the crop view in the Properties palette will display the crop view in the same width and height as the limits we set. We can also modify this region by unchecking crop view in the Properties palette will remove crop view limits. The view will be maximum visible in the drawing area. Crop view limits area will be displayed by checking the crop region visible box in the Properties palette, and by unchecking this box, the crop region boundary visibility will be off. Section view can be mirrored with the flip control button. Section tag head and tail can be flipped so that drawing objects do not overlap. Section head and tail can be separately dragged from the crop region boundary and can be adjusted anywhere as you want. The section head and section tail can be given different shape by section tag in the edit type. There are various section head and tail shapes here. You can also split the section tag. The section line will move along where we take our cursor to the split portion by using split segment tool. You can also adjust it with drag arrows after defining a split route of the section line. To rejoint the split section line, align the two split lines with a drag arrow. The section line will become a line. Any name can be assigned to the section view from Properties. Single dot shows the detail number in section head, and 3 dots will shows the datasheet number in where we drag the section view. Let's practice by making a new sheet. In Project Browser, right-click on Sheets and create a new sheet. We can select any title block loaded in this project through New Sheet browser. Now let's drag this section view into the sheet. View name, detail number, and scale are appearing in the section view. We can change view name and detail number from Properties, and the view scale on which we have created the section view will be appear here. The plan view and section view do not have to be on the same scale. The section view scale can be modified by Properties. You can move the view from the arrow keys and adjust into the sheet. We can also adjust the section tag. The detail number of sections view and sheet number will be appeared in the plan view section tag. So, in today's topic, we have studied the section view in Revit. I hope you understand it. Stay tuned for more educational videos, BIM Talks.